Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the G102 because safety first. Place it on a clean, soft cloth to avoid scratches. Use a thin plastic pry tool or guitar picked to lift the rubber glide feet gently. These hide screws. Keep each foot and the adhesive safe in order. Once the feet are off, check for a small sticker over the sensor opening. Remove it slowly to reveal another screw. These first steps give you access to the internal fasteners and prevent accidental damage. After removing the screws, flip the mouse and use a plastic spudger to separate the top and bottom shells. Start at the rear and work forward to release clips evenly. Be patient. Force can snap plastic clips. Once the shell begins to lift, look for ribbon cables connecting the PCB to the scroll wheel or switches. Gently lift connectors retaining tabs and slide ribbons out. Make sure the USB cable is detached from the board before deeper work. This prevents shorting and makes component removal safer. With the shell open, you can access the PCB, switches, and optical sensor. Clean any dust with compressed air and check for cracked solder joints. If you need to replace a switch, desolder carefully and note polarity positions. Reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect ribbons, align shells, and tighten screws without over-tightening. Test functionality before reapplying the adhesive feet. If the mouse still misbehaves, inspect solder points and connector seating. Resolder or replace faulty parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.